In this video I tell you how to lose weight by just follow this 5 tips.
Let's start. Number 1. Eat more calories than you burn. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. This means you'll need to eat more food than you're currently eating. Yes, that's correct. In order to gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns on a daily basis. This is known as a calorie surplus, and it's necessary for your body to have excess energy to use for building muscle and storing fat. However, it's important to keep in mind that not all calories are created equal. Eating a diet high in junk food and processed foods can lead to unhealthy weight gain, while consuming a diet that is high in nutrient-dense whole foods can promote healthy weight gain and overall health. It's also important to monitor your weight gain progress and make adjustments to your calorie intake as needed. A registered dietitian can help you create a personalized plan for healthy weight gain. 2. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. To avoid gaining unhealthy weight, focus on nutrient-dense foods such as lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. In order to gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns on a daily basis. This is known as a calorie surplus, and it's necessary for your body to have excess energy to use for building muscle and storing fat. However, it's important to keep in mind that not all calories are created equal. Eating a diet high in junk food and processed foods can lead to unhealthy weight gain, while consuming a diet that is high in nutrient-dense whole foods can promote healthy weight gain and overall health. It's also important to monitor your weight gain progress and make adjustments to your calorie intake as needed. A registered dietitian can help you create a personalized plan for healthy weight gain. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. To avoid gaining unhealthy weight, focus on nutrient-dense foods such as lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Yes, that's correct. When trying to gain weight, it's important to focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods to ensure that your body is getting the nutrients it needs to build muscle and stay healthy. Nutrient-dense foods are those that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients, while also being relatively low in calories. Some examples of nutrient-dense foods that can support healthy weight gain include lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, and lentils. Fruits and vegetables, which are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. By focusing on these types of foods, you can provide your body with the fuel it needs to support healthy weight gain, while also ensuring that you're getting the nutrients your body needs to function properly. Additionally, consuming nutrient-dense foods can help you avoid gaining unhealthy weight by keeping you full and satisfied, so you're less likely to overeat or consume empty calories from junk food. 3. Eat frequently. Eating small, frequent meals throughout the day can help you consume more calories and avoid feeling too full. Include relevant statistics and data. Including statistics and data in your article can help support your claims and make your writing more persuasive. Look for relevant statistics on topics such as the prevalence of obesity, the benefits of exercise, and the risks of a sedentary lifestyle. Eat frequently. Eating small, frequent meals throughout the day can help you consume more calories and avoid feeling too full. Drink calorie-dense beverages. Drinking calorie-dense beverages such as smoothies, milkshakes, and protein shakes can help you consume more calories without feeling too full. Eating small, frequent meals throughout the day can help you consume more calories and avoid feeling too full. When you eat large meals, you may feel full for a long time, which can reduce your appetite and make it harder to eat more food. Eating smaller meals more frequently can help you overcome this problem. By consuming smaller amounts of food throughout the day, you can avoid feeling too full and increase your calorie intake. To eat frequently, try to have at least 6 small meals throughout the day. You can also add snacks between meals to increase your calorie intake. Make sure your meals are well balanced and include plenty of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Some examples of foods you can eat include nuts, seeds, whole grains, lean meats, fish, vegetables, and fruits.
Drink calorie-dense beverages.
Drinking calorie-dense beverages can help you consume more calories without feeling too full. Smoothies, milkshakes, and protein shakes are all great examples of calorie-dense beverages that can help you increase your calorie intake. These beverages are also easy to make and can be consumed at any time of the day. When making smoothies or shakes, you can add ingredients that are high in calories and nutrients. Some examples include peanut butter, avocados, bananas, oats, and protein powder. You can also add milk or yogurt to increase the calorie content of your beverage. Make sure to avoid sugary drinks or beverages that contain a lot of artificial ingredients. In conclusion, consuming enough calories is essential for those who want to gain weight. Eating frequently and drinking calorie-dense beverages are two effective ways to increase your calorie intake. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can consume more calories and achieve your weight gain goals. However, it's important to remember that gaining weight in a healthy way requires a balanced diet and regular exercise.
4. Lift weights. Resistance training such as weightlifting can help you build muscle mass, which can lead to healthy weight gain.
Get enough rest. Getting enough sleep is important for muscle recovery and growth, which can help you gain weight. Resistance training, also known as weightlifting, is a popular form of exercise that involves using weights or other forms of resistance to build muscle and strength. While weightlifting is often associated with bodybuilders and athletes, it can actually be beneficial for people of all ages and fitness levels. In fact, resistance training can be an effective way to help you gain weight in a healthy and sustainable manner. When it comes to gaining weight, it's important to focus on building lean muscle mass rather than simply adding fat. By incorporating resistance training into your exercise routine, you can promote the growth of new muscle tissue, which can increase your overall body weight in a healthy way. Here are some of the key benefits of weightlifting for healthy weight gain. Increased muscle mass. Resistance training is one of the most effective ways to build muscle mass. By consistently challenging your muscles with weights or other forms of resistance, you can stimulate the growth of new muscle tissue. Over time, this can lead to an increase in overall body weight, as well as improved strength and endurance. Boosted metabolism. Building muscle mass can also help to increase your metabolism, or the rate at which your body burns calories. This means that even when you're at rest, your body will be burning more calories than it would if you had less muscle mass. As a result, weightlifting can be an effective way to support healthy weight gain without the risk of excess body fat. Improved bone density. As we age, our bones can become weaker and more prone to fractures. Resistance training has been shown to be an effective way to increase bone density, which can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related health problems. This is particularly important for older adults, who may be more susceptible to these types of issues. Enhanced overall health. In addition to its weight gain benefits, resistance training has been shown to have a range of other health benefits. For example, it can improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease, and even boost mental health and well-being. When it comes to incorporating weightlifting into your exercise routine, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. You should also be sure to use proper form and technique to minimize the risk of injury. If you're new to weightlifting, consider working with a personal trainer or fitness professional who can help you develop a safe and effective exercise plan. In conclusion, resistance training such as weightlifting can be an effective way to support healthy weight gain by building lean muscle mass. By incorporating weightlifting into your exercise routine, you can enjoy a range of other health benefits as well, including improved bone density, enhanced overall health, and increased metabolism. So if you're looking to gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way, consider adding weightlifting to your fitness regimen. 5. Limit cardio. While cardio exercise is important for overall health, too much cardio can burn too many calories and make it difficult to gain weight. If you're looking to gain weight, too much cardio can definitely make it difficult. Cardio burns calories, and if you're burning more calories than you're consuming, you won't be able to put on weight. While cardio exercise is important for overall health, it's important to balance it with weight training and a proper diet to ensure that you're getting enough calories to fuel your body's growth and repair. Incorporating strength training exercises like weightlifting, resistance bands, and bodyweight exercises can help build muscle mass, which in turn can lead to weight gain. Additionally, increasing your calorie intake by eating nutrient-dense foods and consuming more calories than you burn can help you reach your weight gain goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like AK Health and Fitness.